Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of the edition, the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, July the 6th, July the 7th, 2024. It's today, actually Sunday, and I've promised you Sunday afternoon I will solve four puzzles out of seven in the additional, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: the binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. This one is a 4 stars Sudoku. It's really a 4 stars because this one has 24 20 digits, 24, and it's an indication of the difficulty level. The less 20 digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. And by the way, this one will be number 8857. Okay. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1 1. We have here 2 2s, 3 3s, 2 4s, 4 5s. All right. How about the 6s? 2 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. 4 7s. Yeah, the 5s and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with a 7? Yeah, 7 in this row. Oh, wait. We have a 7 and a 5 in this row, third row. 7 and a 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left are the 7 and 5 goes in those two boxes as appear. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7, okay. How about? Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only two places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then, how about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these two boxes. 5 in this column, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the second, in the middle row. So in the row above, there are only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 6, okay. Then, let me see. Need a 9 there. Need a 3 there. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 8, 8, need an 8 there. Need an 8 there. Okay, now. Well. Need a 9, 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 there. Oh, here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 9. We have 3 and a 9 in the first row, so no 3 and a 9 in these two boxes. 3 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright, 4, 4. Need a 9 here. And I need 8 here. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Well, there's 7 here. 7 there. Come on. 6. Yeah, four missing numbers. Oh wait, 6. And I need a 7. Yeah, we have a pair. We have a pair. Four missing numbers in this row. Two of those missing numbers are 7 and 6. We have 7 and 6 in the first column, so no 7 and 6 in this box. Here we have also 7 and 6 in this column, so no 7 and 6 in that box. So two boxes left in this row for the 7 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. Okay. So now 3, need a 2, need a 8, need a 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers, and 3 of those missing numbers are the 8, the 2, and the 5. We have an 8, 2, and a 5 in this column, so no 8, 2, and a 5 in these two boxes. 8, 2, and a 5 goes in those 3 boxes. And look, we have 8 and 5 here in this row, so no 8 and 5 here. 8 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, so one digit left should be the 2 here. So two numbers left in this big square. One was the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. Well, here can be a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here can be a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 7 and the 6 are left. 7 and the 6. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. I marked this box with 7 or 6. We have a 7 there, so this box should be a 6 then. Alright. Now. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this middle row. No 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 7. In this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. The 1, the 4, and the 5. 1 and 4 and the 5. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 8 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing here. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, and there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Okay. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1. Okay. Then 3. Need a 3 there. How about the 9? 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the last row, the 9 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. The only place left on the 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Then 8. Yeah. Need a 5 there, need a 5 here. Okay, 1 1. Need a 2, 2 2 2, and I need a 6 here. Alright, how about the number? Need a 3 here, need a 3 there. Well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. Well, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. Here can be 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see another 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then let me see. How about 4, 4? Okay. Need 3 here. Need 3 there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 3. Alright. Then. Then. How about one and 2, 1, 2, 6, 8, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have 1 and 6 in this column. No 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 2. 2, 2. Okay. we have a let me see. Yes. 6. Come on. Yeah. 1, 1. Need a 2 here. Well. How about the number 1, 1, 2, 3. Could be 1. Can it be 1? 1, 1, 1. Okay. What's happening? 4, 4, 4. 2. Need a 2 here. 2 there. It could be a 2. Yeah. 2 here, 2 there. 2, 2. Okay. And here I need a 2. Well. Interesting. Need a 2 there. 4, 8, and a 1. Nope. 4, 8, and the 3. Need a 3 there. Oh, wait. No. Need a 2 here. Yeah. 2, 4, and 8. 2, 4, and 8. No 2 here. 2, 2. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 1. Need a 2. And I need a 6. I need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. I'm stuck here. Two missing numbers in the first column. For us, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing here. Okay, 8, 8, 8, 8. Need the 8 here. Here or there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column. No, need to place level 8. Here, 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this one. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright, so I've eliminated there the 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row, the only place level 2, should be there, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6, 1, 6, and then need a 4 here. Well, in this column we need a 4. Here give me 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here give me 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the only place level 4 in this column should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left in this column. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column X, the only 2 place left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 and the 6, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and the 8 cannot fill this yet. Also 2 numbers left in this big square for us, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 8 are missing. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 8 goes there. So we have 1 box left in this row for the other 1. 2 is missing here. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 4 goes, and they are finished in 17 minutes. Well, previous Sudoku 16 minutes, this one 17 minutes, but faster than 20 minutes, so it should be a 2 stars. Yeah, not the 4, not the 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it will be a 1 star. Alright, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.